Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into all things beauty and grooming, giving you the real scoop on products that claim to take your personal care routine to the next level. Now, if you're a man looking for a reliable, easy-to-use grooming tool, today's review is going to interest you. We're checking out the Remington Shortcut Pro Self-Haircut Trimmer Kit, a grooming kit designed for head, beard, and body. So, let's get right into it and see how well this promises to deliver on all fronts, from precision cuts to convenience and power. The Remington Shortcut Pro is a versatile self-haircut trimmer that stands out thanks to its 14-piece set. This includes a handheld clipper, 9 length-adjusting combs, a cleaning brush, a storage pouch, and a charging adapter. It's designed for men who want to groom themselves with ease, offering both a head shaver and beard trimmer in one. Its unique curved blade aims to provide a smooth, precise trim that can tackle all areas of your body, from your head to your beard and everything in between. The standout feature here is its design. The clipper's extra-wide curved blade is meant to contour to the shape of your head or face, ensuring you get a precise trim without any awkward angles. And with the 9 adjustable comb lengths, you have the flexibility to achieve the exact length you want, whether it's a clean shave or a short buzz cut. It ranges from 1/16 to 5/8 inches, giving you a great range of options. On the performance front, this trimmer is powered by a lithium rechargeable battery. You get 40 minutes of cordless use, which is more than enough time for a full grooming session. Plus, the 5-minute quick charge feature is fantastic when you're in a rush. Just plug it in for 5 minutes, and you're good to go, so you don't have to worry about waiting too long to finish up your grooming routine. However, if the charge isn't holding up as it should, you might need to fully discharge and recharge it a couple of times to restore full performance. One of the things that sets this trimmer apart from others is its waterproof feature. The fact that it's 100% washable makes cleaning much easier. After each use, simply rinse the blade underwater to keep things hygienic. And speaking of maintenance, the trimmer includes oil for blade lubrication and a cleaning brush to make sure your tool is always performing at its best. But no product is perfect, and the Remington Shortcut Pro does have a few minor drawbacks. The buildup of hair can sometimes cause the cutters to stop moving, which means you'll need to take extra care when cleaning the device. While cleaning is simple, this extra maintenance step could be a deal breaker for those who want a low-maintenance grooming tool. Now, let's talk value for money. With the Remington Shortcut Pro, you're getting a solid grooming tool at a mid-range price point. Given its versatility and the fact that it comes with multiple comb lengths, it's a great deal for those looking for an all-in-one grooming tool. Plus, with the 5-year limited warranty, the brand shows confidence in the durability of this product. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are cheaper alternatives out there, but they might not offer the same level of performance or features. Comparing it to other self-haircut trimmers in the market, what sets the Shortcut Pro apart is its unique curved blade and the fact that it's waterproof. While there are similar trimmers, they often lack the precise blade curvature, which means you might end up with less control over your cuts. For the price, I think it offers a lot of value, especially considering the long battery life, multiple length options, and the fact that you don't need to worry about charging it for hours on end. In terms of build quality, the trimmer feels solid and well built. The materials used are durable, and the fact that it's waterproof adds to its long-lasting appeal. It's lightweight, which makes it comfortable to handle, and the ergonomic design makes it easy to use at various angles, whether you're trimming your beard or shaving your head. When it comes to customer support, Remington generally has a good reputation. I haven't had to reach out to them personally, but they do offer a 5-year warranty, which shows they stand behind their product. If you ever run into issues, it's good to know they've got your back. As for product alternatives, if you're looking for something that's a bit more affordable, you could consider the Philips Norelco Multi-Groom series, which offers a similar range of trimming options. However, it lacks the waterproof design and curved blade that the Remington Shortcut Pro provides, which could be a deciding factor for those looking for more precision. In conclusion, The Remington Shortcut Pro Self-Haircut Trimmer Kit is a solid option for men looking for a versatile, reliable, and easy-to-use grooming tool. It offers great value for money, and its unique features like the waterproof design and curved blade make it stand out. Yes, it requires a bit of maintenance, but if you're looking for a product that delivers on performance and convenience, this trimmer is worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.